Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Glad you're here. We trust our refrigerators to keep foods safe, but have you ever stopped to think that inside your own refrigerator and kitchen is a silent enemy capable of risking your health and families, with simple storage mistakes that can turn healthy foods into hidden health risks? It's not just about spoiled milk, improper storage, but dangerous compounds like aflatoxins and nitrosamines formation. Today, we'll reveal 7 or 8 foods and habits to fix now, plus the safest storage methods, backed by research. By understanding the why behind proper food storage, you can make small changes that have a big impact on your well-being. Let's dive in and make your fridge a safer place. Let's start with nuts and nut butters. Healthy but risky if stored wrong. Aflatoxins, produced by certain molds, are potent carcinogens that can contaminate peanuts and tree nuts, especially in warm, humid conditions. You can't see, smell, or taste aflatoxins, and cooking doesn't destroy them. Buy nuts from reputable brands, avoid musty or discolored ones, and transfer them to airtight glass or stainless steel containers. Store nuts and natural nut butters in the fridge or freezer to slow mold growth and preserve freshness. Always use a clean, dry spoon for nut butters, and refrigerate after opening. If you ever see mold or smell anything off, discard the entire container. Don't risk it. Prevention is key. Control moisture and temperature, and keep containers sealed tight. These simple steps drastically cut your exposure to aflatoxins. Protect your liver and your health with smart storage. Don't let a healthy snack become a hidden hazard. Next up, dried goods. Dried fruits, cereals, spices, and coffee beans can harbor another threat. Ochratoxin A, a mold toxin linked to kidney damage. Moisture is the enemy. Fridges can cause condensation, especially if containers aren't airtight. When moisture seeps in, mold can grow and produce toxins even in the cold. For most dried goods, a cool, dry pantry is safer than the fridge. If you must refrigerate, use truly airtight glass jars or vacuum-sealed containers. Never thin plastic or paper. Always inspect for musty smells, clumping, or visible mold before use. If in doubt, throw it out. Flavor and safety go hand in hand. Don't take chances with musty-smelling foods. Store smart, and you'll keep your dried goods safe and delicious. Next, let's talk about cooking oils. Your pantry and fridge can both be allies if you use them right. Let's move on. Reusing cooking oil might seem thrifty, but it can create toxic aldehydes, harmful compounds linked to cancer and heart disease. Each time oil is reheated, especially at high temperatures, it breaks down further, increasing these toxins. Polyunsaturated oils like sunflower and soybean break down fastest. More stable oils like avocado or peanut are better for high heat cooking. If you must reuse oil, let it cool, filter out food particles, and store it in an airtight, opaque container in the fridge. Never reuse oil that's dark, smells rancid, or has thickened. Limit reuse to once or twice, and avoid overheating past the smoke point. Fresh oil is always safest, especially for deep frying. Don't risk your health to save a few dollars. Ditch old oil. Small changes in oil habits can make a big difference. Next, let's check your deli drawer. Processed meats have their own hidden risks. Here's what you need to know. Processed meats like bacon, hot dogs, and deli ham can form nitrosamines, potent carcinogens, during storage and high heat cooking. The longer these meats sit open in your fridge, the higher the risk. Consume lunch meats within 3 to 5 days, bacon and hot dogs within a week, and always store below 40°F or 4°C. Avoid frying or grilling at high temperatures. Bake or simmer instead to reduce nitrosamine formation. Choose uncured or nitrite-free meats when possible, and pair with vitamin C-rich foods to help block nitrosamine formation in your body. Don't let processed meats linger. Freshness matters for safety. Be mindful of how you store and cook these foods. Small tweaks can lower your cancer risk. Next, let's talk about what's in your drinks. Even your favorite beverages can hide dangers. Some sodas and fruit drinks can form benzene, a known carcinogen, if they contain both sodium benzoate and vitamin C. Heat and light speed up this reaction, so never store these drinks in warm or sunny spots. Always check labels for benzoate preservatives and ascorbic acid. Store these beverages cold and in the dark. Your fridge is best. Don't stockpile. Buy only what you'll drink soon. Safer alternatives: water, unsweetened tea, or homemade flavored water with fresh fruit. Making your own drinks cuts out both benzene risk and excess sugar. Be a label detective and store smart. Protect your health, one sip at a time. Now, let's look at your food containers. Storing hot, fatty foods in polystyrene, styrofoam, or soft plastics can cause chemicals like styrene and phthalates to leach into your food. These compounds are linked to cancer and hormone disruption, especially when in contact with fats or heat. Always transfer takeout and leftovers from plastic or styrofoam into glass or stainless steel containers as soon as you get home. Never microwave food in plastic or polystyrene unless it's labeled microwave safe. And even then, glass is safer. For cheese, oily foods, and sauces, avoid plastic wrap. Use glass containers with lids. These swaps protect your food and your health. Small changes in storage make a big difference over time. Plus, glass and steel are better for the environment. Don't let your containers undo your healthy eating. Next, let's tackle moldy produce. Moldy spots on soft fruits and veggies aren't just surface deep. Mycotoxins can spread invisibly throughout. Cutting away the mold isn't safe for soft produce like berries, tomatoes, or peaches. The whole item should be discarded. Hard foods like carrots or hard cheese are safer. Cut at least an inch around the mold. Prevent mold by keeping produce dry, storing in the right fridge drawers, and not washing until ready to eat. Don't overbuy. Purchase only what you'll use soon, and check produce regularly. Moldy foods can carry toxins that damage DNA and cause illness. When in doubt, throw it out. A little vigilance keeps your crisper drawer safe. Smart storage means less waste and better health. Let's wrap up with some final tips. 7 or 8 fridge habits and easy fixes. Now you know how to cut your exposure to hidden food risks. Keep things cold, dry, and airtight. Use glass or steel containers, and respect expiration dates. It's not about perfection, just smarter choices. Clean your fridge, label dates, and share these tips to help others stay safe. Which habit will you fix first? Your kitchen can be a source of health. Start today. Please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss your regular uploads. Also like, share, and comment. Until next time, stay blessed.